I'm so glad you've decided to join me on this exciting journey. Today, we are diving into the world of social media. It's a place full of connection, fun, and new discoveries. Think of it as a vibrant, bustling neighborhood right at your fingertips. You can catch up with old friends who live far away. You can share family photos with your loved ones in an instant. You can even join groups that share your hobbies, from gardening to classic films. This guide is here to be your friendly neighbor, showing you around and helping you feel right at home in this new digital space. Many people hear words like tech literacy or social media and feel a little nervous. That's completely normal. So please know you are not alone in feeling this way. Technology can seem like a whole new language with its own rules and customs. You might worry about making a mistake or not knowing where to start. Perhaps you've heard stories that make it all sound complicated or even a bit risky. These feelings are valid, but I want to reassure you. We are going to tackle everything together, one simple step at a time. This guide is designed to be a clear, simple, and supportive friend on your path. Our main goal is to build your confidence. We will break down every task into small, manageable pieces. You don't need to become a tech expert overnight. Instead, we will focus on the basics that will help you get started safely and happily. Imagine learning to drive a car. You didn't start by entering a race. You learned how to turn the key, check your mirrors, and use the pedals. We will take that same steady approach. By the end of our time together, you'll have the foundational skills you need to explore social media with ease and enjoy all the wonderful connections it has to offer. So, take a deep breath and let go of any pressure you might feel. This is a journey of exploration, not a test. There is no such thing as a silly question here. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a victory worth celebrating. We will start with the very basics, like turning on your device and finding your way around the screen. From there, we will gently move on to finding and installing apps like Facebook or Instagram. We will do it all together, ensuring you feel comfortable and in control. Let's get ready to unlock a new world of communication and fun. Before we begin, let's talk about having a positive mindset. Learning any new skill, whether it's baking a cake or speaking a new language, works best when we are patient with ourselves. Technology is no different. It's important to remember that it's perfectly fine to not know everything right away. Everyone, even the most tech-savvy person you know, was a beginner once. They all had to learn how to open an app for the first time. They had to figure out how to send their first message. Embracing this learning process with an open and curious mind is the most important first step you can take on this adventure. Think of this guide as your personal roadmap. It is designed to lead you through the digital landscape without getting lost. We have organized everything into clear, easy-to-follow sections. You can move at your own pace, and you can always go back and review a step if you need to. There is no rush. The goal is for you to feel empowered and capable. Remember that every small success will build upon the last. Soon, things that once seemed confusing will start to feel familiar. You will find your own rhythm and discover what parts of the online world you enjoy the most. One of the best things you can do is to be kind to yourself. There might be moments of frustration, and that is okay. If you tap the wrong button or can't find a setting, don't get discouraged. Just take a moment, maybe step away for a cup of tea, and then come back to it. Technology is a tool designed to make our lives easier and more connected, but like any tool, it takes a little practice to use it well. Celebrate your progress. Did you successfully turn on your tablet? That's fantastic. Did you find the App Store? That's a huge win. Acknowledging these achievements will make the entire experience much more enjoyable. Ultimately, learning to use social media is about opening up new possibilities. It's about being able to see your grandchild's first steps, even if they are 1,000 miles away. It's about reconnecting with a dear friend from high school. It's about sharing your passions with people who understand and appreciate them. So, let's approach this with excitement for all the good things to come. You have everything you need to succeed. You are capable and you are ready. Let's turn the page and begin our first lesson together. The digital neighborhood is waiting to welcome you. Let's start by turning on your device, your portal to the digital world. Find the power button along the edge, press and hold it gently until the screen lights up. After it boots up, you'll see the lock screen. Unlock it with a swipe, pin, or fingerprint. With practice, powering on and unlocking your device will feel natural, your first step into a new world. Once you unlock your device, you'll see the home screen, your main digital dashboard. Here, colorful icons represent different apps like phone calls, messages, or the camera. Swipe left or right to see more apps and notice the row of icons at the bottom, your dock for quick access. You can move and organize apps to suit your needs. Explore and make it your own. This is your personal command center. Let's explore buttons and gestures on your device. Use the side buttons for power and volume. On older phones, press the home button to return home. On newer devices, swipe up from the bottom instead. Tapping opens apps, while a long press reveals more options. With practice, these actions become second nature, so don't be afraid to experiment and explore. Welcome to the App Store, your digital marketplace for new apps. Think of it as a shopping mall, but for tools, games, and more. To get started, find the App Store icon on your device's home screen. On Apple devices, look for a blue square with a white A. On Android, it's a colorful triangle. Tap the icon to enter a world of possibilities, safe, secure, and ready for you to explore. Searching for your chosen app. Use the search function to find your app quickly. Look for a search bar or magnifying glass icon. Tap the search bar to type your app's name. Type Facebook and select the correct suggestion. Verify the app's name and icon. Once confirmed, proceed to install the app. Found your app in the store? Great! Just tap Get on Apple or Install on Android. You may need to enter your password or use your fingerprint to confirm. Watch the progress bar as your app downloads and installs automatically. Once the icon is bright, you're done. Celebrate, your new app is ready to use. You've installed your new social media app. Great job! Now tap the app's icon to open it for the first time. You'll see options to log in or sign up. Choose Sign Up to create your account. Enter your name, birth date, and contact info. Just follow the prompts step by step. You're building your digital identity, one step closer to connecting with loved ones. After entering your details, it's time to create a strong password, your digital front door key. Avoid simple choices like your name or 123456. Instead, use a unique phrase and mix in letters, numbers, and symbols. Write your password in a safe place and confirm it when prompted. This step keeps your account secure and gives you peace of mind. After creating your account, take a moment to set up your profile. Add a clear photo and decide if you want to find friends from your contacts. Next, explore your privacy settings. These controls let you decide who can see your posts and personal info. Look for the Settings and Privacy section, usually found in the app's menu. Set your posts to be visible to friends for a more private experience. Adjust who can send you friend requests and who can find you using your contact details. Review these settings regularly to keep your online space comfortable and secure. Ready to share your first post? Tap the What's on Your Mind box at the top of your feed. Type a simple message, maybe a hello or a quick update about your day. Review your words, then tap the post button to share. That's it, you've just made your first post and joined the conversation. Posting is the foundation of staying connected. Share updates, ask questions, or just say hi. With each post, you'll get more comfortable expressing yourself online. Sometimes a photo or video says it best. To share one, tap the What's on Your Mind box, then select the photo-video icon. Choose a picture or video from your gallery, or take a new one. Add a caption to give context, like tried a new recipe, or beautiful sunset tonight. Tap Post to share your moment with friends. Visual updates bring your profile to life and help loved ones feel connected to your experiences. Don't hesitate to share the little joys. Photos and videos make your social media truly personal. Social media is about interaction, not just posting. Like a post by tapping the thumbs up icon. It's a quick way to show you care. Want to say more? Tap comment and leave a message. Start a conversation. To add friends, use the search bar, find someone you know, and send a friend request. Only connect with people you trust in real life. Once connected, you'll see each other's updates and can interact more easily. Liking, commenting, and adding friends builds your online community. These simple actions turn social media into a space for real connection. Your privacy center is your digital security hub. Find it in the Settings and Privacy menu. Set who can see your posts. Friends is usually the safest choice. Avoid public unless you want everyone online to see your updates. Control who can send you friend requests and who can find you by your contact info. Adjust these settings to limit unwanted contact and keep your network familiar. Review your privacy options regularly, especially after app updates. Taking charge of your privacy ensures a safer, more comfortable social media experience. Protect yourself by being mindful of what you share. Avoid posting sensitive info like your address or travel plans. Only accept friend requests from people you know and trust. Watch out for duplicate friend requests. These could be scams. Be cautious of suspicious messages or links, even from friends. Phishing is common. Never share your password or financial details online. Regularly review your privacy and security settings, removing unused apps. Smart habits and strong settings keep your social media experience safe and enjoyable. Your journey to tech confidence doesn't have to be a solo one. Connect with others in your community who are also learning. Libraries and community centers often offer free tech workshops and classes. Learning with peers makes the experience more comfortable and fun. Don't hesitate to ask friends or neighbors for help. They're often happy to assist. Your community is full of resources ready to support your growth. Endless knowledge is truly at your fingertips. The internet is a vast library with resources like YouTube offering free tech tutorials on almost any topic. Explore online courses on sites like Coursera or Skillshare, many of which are free or low cost and perfect for beginners. Don't forget official help centers and trusted sites like AARP's Tech Section or Tech Boomers for clear step-by-step guides. With these resources, you can learn at your own pace, whenever and wherever you want. You've reached the end of our guide, but this is just the beginning of your technology journey. Look at how far you've come, from turning on your device to sharing stories and connecting with loved ones online. Every small win is a big step. Celebrate your progress and newfound confidence. The digital world is now yours to explore. Keep going and be proud of what you've achieved. The world of technology is constantly evolving, with new features and apps appearing all the time. This might sound daunting, but I encourage you to see it as an exciting opportunity for lifelong learning. You do not need to know everything or keep up with every single trend. Instead, the goal is to maintain a spirit of curiosity. Now that you have a solid grasp of the fundamentals, you are in a perfect position to explore further at your own pace. If you hear about a new feature that sounds interesting, you now have the skills and confidence to investigate it, knowing that you can figure it out step by step. Embrace this ongoing journey with the same positive mindset you started with. Remember that it is perfectly okay not to know something and that asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Continue to use the resources we discussed, whether it is watching a YouTube tutorial for a specific question or joining a local workshop to learn a new skill in a social setting. Think of yourself as a perpetual student of technology, always open to discovering new ways it can enhance your life. This mindset will ensure that technology remains a helpful tool for you rather than a source of stress or frustration. The most important takeaway from our time together is that you are in control. You get to decide which platforms you use, who you connect with, and what you share. Your comfort and safety are always the top priorities. Continue to revisit your privacy settings periodically and to practice smart online habits. By remaining mindful and intentional in your use of technology, you can ensure that it always serves your needs and contributes positively to your well-being. You have the power to shape your own digital experience, making it as private or as social as you wish it to be. Thank you for allowing me to be your guide on this incredible journey. It has been a privilege to walk alongside you as you've built your tech literacy and unlocked new ways to connect. I hope you feel empowered, confident, and excited about the possibilities that lie ahead. Always remember to take it one step at a time, to be patient with yourself, and to never stop being curious. The digital world is vast and full of wonder, and you now have the keys to explore it on your own terms. Keep learning, stay connected, and enjoy all the wonderful new experiences that await you.